Welcome to episode 2 of our Lowveld adventure. Today we visited the Kruger National Park. We entered through the Pabeni gate and made our way to Skukuza via the Pretoria's Kop rest camp on gravel roads. From Skukuza we went to Lowesabi on the H41 road. This paid off with many buffalo and elephant sightings. From Lowesabi we took the old Chukwane road back to Skukuza and we were lucky to see a leopard on the move. From Skukuza we took the S1 road to make our exit once again at the Pabeni gate.
How's guys? Today we went to Kruger Park via the Pabeni gates. Went to Sabi and Lowesabi. Saw quite a bit of game today. We were privileged enough to see the same buffalo on entry and exit. The biggest bull I've seen so far, and we were lucky enough to see the biggest elephant with huge tusks, which we found you won't really see in the Kruger anymore. Just shows you that when you take the long way around, the less frequent traveled routes, you can actually see some gems out there. Yeah, we were lucky enough to spot a leopard as well, but yeah, stay tuned on the photos that will follow.
Today we spent some time on the back roads. The Bergvlei Pass and Kiepersol Pass are two beautifully tarred roads and popular among motorcyclists. We slowly made our way to God's Window and Wonder View, our first of many tourist attractions for the day. Unfortunately, we ran into a snag in our plans, and as Ruan mentions later in the episode. We ate lunch in the plantations and the scenery was beautiful. Just note that there are some plantations that are off limits to the public, so keep an eye out for signs stating this.
guys, day 3 of our trip. Today we went to God's Window and we did 2 passes, Barkfly Pass and Kipsel Pass. After God's Window we did the Wonderview, the hiking trail. With a shock, we actually found out that most of all the scenic stuff around here is closed due to the governmental strikes or the tourism strike. So we wanted to go to the potholes and Bladerfew Canyon and so on, which we cannot do on this trip. And we stopped at the Sabi Brewing Company for some refreshments for tonight, and tomorrow we'll be doing some river rafting. Stay tuned, enjoy.